Alright guys, welcome back to the channel without some tested 5. I just want to let you know something. There's track work going on, canceling some via trains. So, I'm only getting one. I have to get only one because of the track work, and that will be V84. This will also happen on November 2nd, November 16th, and November 3rd. The trains that have to be cancelled are 85, 87, and 88. For the next day, October 20th, November 3rd, November 17th, and December 1st, 84, 85, and 88 have been cancelled as well. So, well, I know that. So, I will not be uploading too much over the weekends in St. Mary's for the next couple times. Thanks for watching.